So guys, we are here in Trench Town with Kino. He's showing me around the Trench Town. I know most of you guys are like, gee, how do you make it to go to such places? Trust me, nowadays it's not as how it used to be. It's a peaceful place. You can see the kids playing on that side. Like, it's not what you really think it is. I love it. It's more of home, you know? So
it's the rules, man. Give me a buckle that's Berlin. Make me mix up the rules with Medina. Hey. Hey. So black of our go here, so this is black of yeah, man. Guys, one time these place, no, they never could have just walk all the way down and knock on everybody's door. But everybody does take a section for themselves.
that makes sense.
Makes sense.
My one block.
8 of these.
First, second, and the third one. That's my brother was the third one. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and the one the seventh, and the last one at the end there. So no, 8 block.
Yeah, true. Yeah, ready.
See me? If I Bob Marley place,
Yo, they make me want to go swim right now. Yeah, man, I'm about love, man. This is amazing, love, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
I miss the house come out and look so clean, pandy.
Bro.
Be a girl a pass and a pray, pandy. And like we, them want be, pandy. And we not test two, them get cheap, pandy. I miss say no, look, can't come, pandy. You look life, now we just
Pandy go. Yeah. Oh. Big.
Everything is
Natural.
So, even at the place, yeah.
But imagine that. She come here, we talk to you, and she hear our voice. Next one, she's like, you know, is that my voice? Why am I hearing my voice?
I thought your phone is playing my video at the back.
Yeah.
I thought I have my phone with me. So I was like, wait, I can't.
And when you check it out, there's someone next door watching our videos. So I said, look here, as him look him like,
It's a historical moment.
yeah, it's a historical.
Alright, watch it now. Life red out there, life red out there. Get a youth, them not stop from dead out there. Life red out there, life red out there. Get a youth to the pray to the king out there. Cause a life come first and a life over the thing. Good, better, best. Never let it rest, you know. I listen and see I don't come blessing. Me don't know what them a pray about. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
I'm here with Demo Wanga.
Let me hold the camera for you because the light
Babe,
is...
give me a buckle of spirulina. We could mix it. You might ask, what am I doing there? Come put it on Viva. Viva, the great man. This man help out Bob Marley kids and everything. He make the jewels for Chronic himself. He's the rose man. Give me a buckle of spirulina. Make me mix up the rules with Medina. Hey. Oh, hey. This is him, Viva himself. Yeah, we're gonna get out. I got my friend here from Kenya. Yeah. Viva. She's coming out. Give me a buckle of spirulina. She got no, yeah, me tell her a reason and everything, man. You sure I go on with the juice them and everything, and you tell her some story about everything. Is it
No, in the 18th century.
No, but now I'm going to meet you people. I don't want to smell weird.
I hear that. In the 18th century, when the lupus disease was out, everybody in the world have to be smelled like garlic and onion.
That's true. That's true.
To keep up the fungus that is coming into people.
Yeah.
Everybody has to smell like that, so the virus won't surround it again. Everybody underneath the same energy.
Okay.
Right. So it's that's really supposed to be eating up. That's why I write this in '94. When
94.
I was in Harlem.
Yeah.
I was living in Harlem, you know. That's the way I would write this.
this juice.
Okay.
Since the COVID coming now, I arrived it in Jamaica. 'Cause I have 366 different juices in it.
Wow. 366.
That's a whole year.
That's
This
a
is your
lot.
store. This is where you sell.
Right. This is where I'm here.
You live here.
Right.
Oh, okay.
See.
He used to be by the Bob Marley Museum.
Yeah.
That's where he
That
used to
picture-
live, in the
that
museum.
picture,
Yeah.
That picture is Bob Marley Museum. This was 30 years ago. That's a 30 years picture.
Oh, okay.
He was
I can
living
hear
inside.
I can hear myself speak somewhere. I'm trying to be like,
Oh yeah, someone's watching it next door.
yeah, that's what I'm
Who's in there?
Granny.
Oh?
Granny.
Granny!
Because I'm like,
Granny!
I can hear myself speaking
See the
somewhere.
girl here where you watch? See the girl here where you watch? See her here?
Oh yeah! I saw you interested in it, you know?
Yeah.
You know, I've been out here. I'm like, I can hear myself speak from the back. I was like, I can hear my voice from the back. Who is that person? Then I found him.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the program, you know?
Hey, look at that. It's
Look
my
at that.
voice at the back. How you doing? Hey, happy to meet you. You see, today I brought myself to you.
Oh boy.
This is the girl you've been watching.
Imagine that, eh?
Yeah.
'Cause
And you know, I had a program come on, but you are just
Say hello.
and I just want to hear my African sister
Well,
how she's
why?
trying Jamaica.
yeah.
Biggest. You see more of it then. But over steel, over the
You can
moon.
get his number?
Yeah, I got his number.
Oh, you get his number.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, you can pick up and then now we use. No, they don't open on Sundays.
No, but she don't want to speak to like somebody we know him like
Okay.
that way. Even Alan Skill call him, was his manager, right? Him still there, you see me?
Yeah, but then you me tell you, is him me supposed to go check 2 o'clock his wife
Yeah.
to pick up his wife to go to the market.
Okay.
So
I could be
So-
in the
so,
mix
alright,
and
so-
meet
so-
her.
so right, so you can
Yeah.
you can meet at the time. So by 2 o'clock you can meet.
Yeah, because the wife is there. Mali is still there.
no, skill code.
No, Skill call. He was the manager for Bob Marley.
He more can give you
More information.
Yeah.
than even
Yeah.
He was the one we used to do the
the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No things then.
Okay, Kino, let's.
So we're gonna try to go up Sizzla place
Sizzla
now.
place.
And we keep in touch.
Keep me in touch.
Yes.
Alright.
See you then.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Happy to meet you.
Mouse, that's close.
Alright, Viva.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. The energy. That's how the energy works, see? Yeah.
In the spirit of movements.
Yeah.
So while your movements, you will see more people that she never wanted to see and end up seeing.
Yeah. That's one thing with him. And we can take us to Dub Club.
Right.
Way up in the hills.
That's
Like-
where maybe we could meet on like
I like that.
mechanics.
Yes.
Artists come there.
Yeah. When
Sunday.
is Chronix around?
Just when they're around.
Yeah.
Wow, I listened to
We can be on a Sunday.
Yes, Sunday.
That's
Sunday.
that's open on a Sunday.
Now we have your number. We can plan all this.
Just
Hey, it will be a dream come true for me to meet Chronix. Jump high.
Wow.
that's be good. And I figure he will be there.
Yeah.
Because his home is next door.
Yeah, next door, not far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, same land, same land. And
Yeah.
other more artists you could see up there. Now you see our popcorn.
Yeah.
Elephant Man now, those
Yes.
artists. Because
Yeah,
I
correct.
thought all of them come there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause that's how we met Julia Marley when time made up there.
And little more into the evening here tonight, we have a place named Dubwise in Kaya. A lot of artists come there. Come cool out,
Yeah.
all the vibes. Yeah, man.
But we'd have to go up there then, Viva.
Yeah, man.
You know, when you're free, we'll just come here,
Yeah,
we'll
man.
make a flex.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I make a
You know,
flex.
cause this man
Because
is
you have his number, we
yeah,
can
this man is
plan.
well known,
Yeah.
you know, to all entertainers then.
Yeah.
You know.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, man, every time. Because even Lila Ike, we're supposed to line up some warm Irishman, because she love Irishman.
You know Lila Ike?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna make some drink for her as well too.
Oh, wow.
Warm Irishman.
Okay.
So she's looking, so we're going to call her because she's supposed to be on a show for this January.
Yeah.
It's bringing home this place here. The Excel on the show and things. So, yeah, man. But you don't want me, man, and the artists and parties, man. You're good to go.
Good
Thank
to go.
you.
And they will happy to have you.
Thank you so much.
But you come from one of them, you come from the motherland.
Yeah.
Africa, yeah.
One.
Cause she went to Boba Hill as well, you know.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, she been to Boba Hill, yeah.
Man, see,
Yeah.
and there's more to there. And even can visit him down to St. Anne's where Marley was, Marley Berry. You
Yeah.
can see many of we have been trying to do that.
If we have
Yeah,
time
man, of
outside-
course. And listen, we have plan things and we have to make some moves.
So long again she gonna be here. So you
She's
can-
gonna be here.
3-6 months.
What? So you have a whole movement?
Yeah, hold him.
So you have a lot to care about.
Yeah.
Wow, you're gonna have a package over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope you can manage to package it and carry to the
I
church.
will.
Hear her voice in it. But imagine that. She
No.
come here, we are talk to you,
See?
and she hear her voice next to her and she's like, Kino, is that my voice? Why am I hearing my voice?
I thought your phone is playing my video at the back.
Yeah.
And I thought I have my phone with me. So I was like, wait, I can.
And when you check it out, there's someone next door watching her videos. So I said, look here, as him look him like,
It's a history, it's a historical moment.
yeah, it's a historical
Yeah.
moment.
Historical moment.
That never happened before, right?
Yeah, that is crazy.
That is
like,
crazy.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
That
I give
is
thanks-
it.
I give thanks that things like this can happen
Yeah.
in the movements that you're on.
Yeah.
So you're more happy, you know, people really taking notice of what you've been going on. So they have you up online while you still here.
Yeah.
So it's so good.
Yeah, it's so great. Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now people with you.
The same thing with me. It's so good, like just to see Chronic, Popcorn, all these people because I watch them, I listen to their music every day.
Yeah.
So me meeting them, I'll be like, what? Finally.
So just
So
right now,
same way.
just right call me uncle.
That's right, yeah.
Me make just right put on him nothing.
Yeah.
Me make him lax.
Yes.
Turn him
So
rasta.
even though that nice to meet as well to Jesse Ryan.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I rate him so much
yeah,
as well.
Yeah, man, and you will see him.
Yeah.
Alright, then.
Thank you so
on the
much.
mission where you're on,
Yeah.
you will see most
More-
of
Thank you. Thank
most,
you.
most of them.
So all your dream is gonna come true.
Yay.
Team
Yeah,
of
man, yeah, man.
Hunger.
And it's surprisingly this somebody called me yesterday, tell me that Junior Gang is on the island.
Yeah?
Yes, but he don't call me yet.
Oh.
Since the person say, well, 4 days ago somebody told me that Junior Gang say he want to come to Jamaica because he needs some Viva program like juice and food. So he soon come a yard. So the person tell me yesterday said Junior Gang die yard. He said, well, alright, he soon call me.
Yeah.
So if he die yard, you're gonna see him.
And then I'm going to make you meet Christopher Ellis, who is also Arthur Ellis' son.
Yes.
You know, the singing wizard. I'm going to also make you meet him as well too.
wow,
He's
that
the
would
son
be
of the
great.
legend, you know, and he's also son to the Marleys them as well. The Marleys them
Yes.
sign him as well too. So you're going to meet a lot, you know, while we
Yeah.
keep moving around.
Yeah,
So
I did have this in mind the other day, you know, to say my daughter,
Yeah.
my dance movements,
yeah.
to put it on the tube.
Okay.
Yeah, because I've been in the newspaper already, you know, the COVID.
Yeah.
Yeah, at Miami, when I was
Yeah.
dancing with Julian Marley, doing a show.
Wow.
Yeah, like the day before, he get 1,700 views.
Wow.
So the following day, you know, me go on the show now, we get 7,450 views.
You want to see Viva dance, man? This man full of high energy. Give me knee lift, Viva, man. Show me, yeah, give me knee lift. This man full of energy, man. And Viva will dance with you all night.
Big
So-
more, one love.
Yeah. Big more, not the two more.
But of course, it's so hot.
Yeah.
Big more.
One love.
Yeah, man. So give time. We just meet Viva. Give me a buckle of spirulina. So I never get the spirulina. I get the.
That has been amazing.
We get the antibiotic natural in the bottle, you know, with garlic and everything mixed up. You know, this is the antibiotic. Them say when you drink this, not even mosquito and bite you, nothing at all, not trouble you. Yeah, so just look up the great man Viva. So you're not gonna see him more, you know, while we move on. Mommy. Bless it. Mommy Lou. Hello. Oh, Sizzla mom. Sizzla mom. Yeah, do you?
I'm coming over. Hello, mom. How you doing? Blessed.
This is
Nice
Dimo
to meet
Wanga
you.
from Kenya.
I'm a huge fan of your son. I'm blessed to see you today.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Bless her.
Okay.
Let me share the honor of Sizzla mom. Woo! That's so unfeel.
Yeah.
Great, man.
You give back to a legend.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright.
Need your water, food, we can get it.
Alright then.
So, I just arrived and somebody's like, dear. Okay, here we go.
From friends. Wow, from friends.
Paris.
Everyone. Oh, Paris. My friend. It was my neighbor.
I was really going to
So Paris. Yeah.
Okay, Europe.
Neighbor. Nice. Kino, Kino like in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, I love the work on that.
Yeah, man, cool, man.
Yeah, watch out.
Yeah, watch your ground.
I went now for all of Portland.
Well, we want to make it a trip. A Portland you from?
Yeah, man, I mean, yeah, man. We have Sizzla, Bolivia, and over there, and farm. I over there. But I'm a band and
Yeah, so we have to,
grande family, more town everywhere.
yeah, so we have to go take a contact video. So we're going to take a contact so we can make the link then. And you can show around the place, right? Yeah, man, that's been great. Let's put your number in there so we can just keep the contact.
And I sent her, I said, you know, the YouTube version. Oh, yes, yes. Her brother has a YouTube channel. Yeah, so.
Thanks, man. Nothing but love, artists, man. When you think of management general, blessed love, you know? Great judgment yard itself. You're an artist, though?
Yes, exactly.
See the judgment yard full of talent, you know?
Yeah, man, big up, you know.
What the high name?
Blacks, man.
Blacks.
Yeah, man.
Are you artist named that to Blacks?
No, on the ground.
Pan the ground. See it there, so you get something pan the ground. Respect.
I say, oh, Skyman come out and look so clean, pandy.
Ground.
Be a girl a pass and a pray, pandy. And like we, them want be, pandy. And we not test two, them get cheap, pandy. I me say, no, look, can't come, pandy. You look at life, now we just
Pan the ground.
pan.
Hey,
Yeah,
you pan the ground.
it's a look a freestyle, you know?
Yeah, see
Yeah,
there.
man, Sizzla Kalonji place, you know?
See there, man.
Judgment yard.
Judgment, yeah.
You know,
man. Youth have,
big up
woman
on
and
yourself.
brother, youth have talent. So what them can find up on which platform? YouTube,
Yeah, man, Instagram,
Give them the shout
Facebook,
out.
you know, Pondiground, PONDIGROUND,
Yeah,
Facebook, you know?
see there.
Do
so
we
guys,
win? Yeah.
you go and check out Pondiground and you hear the man talented. See him on Facebook, Pondiground, is me YouTube, Pondiground. So you have anything new we just released?
Yeah, but man, I really
Not yet.
Get out
Get
yet,
out
you
yet.
know?
So we can stay
Hold
tuned.
it in the pipeline and stay tuned.
So you have Vivo and them thing there,
Yeah,
right?
man, everything active, man.
I name Pondiground.
Yeah,
on the
man.
Vivo. So people no go and subscribe to it Pondiground. Support the youth them of August Town. I know you must have more lyrics and more songs and
Yeah,
one
man.
song you have in
Alright, watch it now. Life red out there, life red out there. Get a youth, them not stop from dead out there. Life red out there, life red out there. Get a youth to the pray to the king out there. Cause a life come first and a life over the thing. Good, better, best. Never let it rest, you know. I listen and see I don't come blessing of the youth, them works. Have been manifesting, you know. Now they get a youth, them make them flex, you know. Burn the high grade, that are the best, you know. Oh, that's the Babylon, we know they can't test. Life red out there, life red out there. Get a youth, them not stop from dead out there. Life red out there, life red out there. Get a youth on the prayer to the king out there. It's a get better, things a get worse. The whole Babylon system is a curse. They build up them madden, they build up them church. They drop them coffin, they drop them earth. They not praise the king and the devil not praise. What more body gone on the earth? Life red out there.
Life red out there. You hear that life red out there because the sun is hot. So you know things is red. That's why them say lava. You know, sun red. Give them a name again now.
I'm say a Jade from Judgment Yard, you know, woman abroad, you know. That's up Sizzla Kalonji, a one love in the house, you know. A clean and a prayer not to let the conscience set the mind free, you know. Best of black people, best Ethiopia, Africa, Mount Zion, you know. I just one love. By the meditation of the heart be accepted in just side forevermore eternity. Cha! Rastafari. Ash!
So YouTube, can you find it on YouTube?
Yeah.
What do you mean on YouTube?
Jade man.
Jade.
Humble one, same way, you know.
Same
The
way.
humble one.
Alright then, artist.
The last time me roll out at a Shame party, as me reach round them, me say me table turn up loud. Loud. The last time me roll out at a Shame party, as me reach round them, me say me table turn up loud. Loud. Look at inch off right, you know.
Loud.
That's
Yeah,
Shame fashions, you know.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
So the music is so loud.
Judgment, yeah.
Well, loud. You see, Judgment Yard full of talent, you know, with the Augustown. You know, people say, don't go Augustown. What's a pure talent and love there. So why we not come here? You know, come support our own brothers and sisters. You know, it's nothing but love. You know, blessings every time. Every time talented man. You see me, I say talented youths have to rise. You can't stop trying. You see me? So we're going to see more and know more about Judgment here. Because all the way Africa around the world it go, you know. There's nothing but greatness. Oh, Sizzla father planted the whole of them here. Banana and everything around here. So peas, callaloo, pepper, everything. Yep.
No, tell her, make sure them Sizzla father, my brother.
Oh. Alright then, see that? So the Sizzla father planted the whole of this. Banana, see it there. Pepper, everything. Very green. Pretty man and cool, you know. Manala is very pretty and cool. My first experience and I can feel the energy.
Everything, man.
You can feel the energy, manala. It's a great feeling. Feeling this energy, you know. My first time here, the mother's land. Nature. I got down in the valley. So we have hills and we have valley. So we go down to the valley, go meet up. Down in the valley. So we're going down in the valley. Yeah. Like you have hills and you have valley. So we're going down in the valley.
Going down the valley. This is where the family lives.
Oh, the mommy down here.
Oh, the mommy is here?
Yeah. Mommy! When are they at this? Oh.
I'm carrying on this river.
Yeah. Which part? This is the blessed family. This is down by the river. Eat by the river someday.
This is it.
That is it. This is it. That is it.
Hey, we met again.
We meet again.
I had a long conversation with the father.
Oh, isn't he amazing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing. I couldn't just leave
Yeah, I love him. He's so smart and wise.
Yeah, the father.
Yeah, man.
He tell you about his farming?
He's the magnet of everything around here.
Yeah. Oh. See it, man. Can I listen to him and say?
Yeah, man.
Spent
Yeah.
the whole weekend with him in the grill. The Sizzla Youth Foundation giveaway, back to school giveaway.
So everything's good?
Yeah. Talk to that
I'll
already.
share some
No, I never check when they're
videos.
Him the boat man, but him a whole of vibe.
He's finishing some engineering.
But walk around and check see him. Go by pool.
No, we're not over there.
Can walk around and check see him. Make him.
Alright, brother. Bless up, man. You know? Cool. Yeah. So we're here at Judgment Yard. Yeah, so there with Dee, you know, she's over here talking to some of her fans and talking to the fans and everything. It is well cool and nice. Lovely, I love the energy. I love the vibe, it's cool. Sizzla, Kalonji. That before the sun. This is an anthem. So we at Sizzla Museum. This is the museum here. I can't you buy this? Sizzla buy this?
Yeah. Miguel.
Eh?
Miguel. See that? Miguel.
Oh, Miguel. Blessed fire. Blessed fire. Yeah.
So this is the studio, right?
No,
the museum.
The museum,
Yeah.
and stuff, yeah. I know over there. You don't know the place?
Yeah, you just come.
Oh, just come.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, just idea. So our first time here in Jamaica.
First time here in the welcome again, man.
Thank
First
you.
time here in Jamaica, you know, and she always want to come see her favorite legend, you know, our artist.
I know said that I'm soon forward, I'm soon coming up.
Yeah.
Soon forward. I'm just on there, so look while I'm just
Yeah, so it will be a dream come true.
yeah, man, just
to
stick
meet
around
you,
few, you just
Stick
walk
around and
like
we'll
him.
see.
Yeah, man, I'm soon be back.
Yeah, man. So this is the museum, Sizzla, you know. Welcome all the way
Welcome
from
again,
Kenya.
welcome again, yeah, man.
Thank you.
From
You know.
Kenya?
Yes.
Kenya.
Kenya represented.
Yeah, man,
Yes.
blessed.
The mother's land, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Mama, so this is the daughter Africa. This is daughter Africa. She's daughter Africa, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
So it's now chef up something, you know.
Yeah, we just, you know.
Get the aki up. Me tell her, I said.
King Tafari sound, you know, Sizzla sound this, you know.
Oh, like this.
Yeah. Famous sound this, you know, King Tafari. Mighty King Tafari.
Mighty King Tafari. See, yeah.
Amsterdam.
Love the museum, man. Nah, lie. Yes, fire. We say you got chef up something now. Spicy.
Chef cook anything.
Alright, so
I don't cook anything.
spice.
Yeah.
Spice. So it's a difference. So
It's a big
so now
difference.
they can understand that it's a different thing from chef and spice.
Right. Chef
So
cook all kind of meat, you know.
Alright. So you spice up, you know, so straight vegetables,
Vegetables and
all the greens
Ground
and all the
provisions.
what the ground provides. So if you don't understand people, this is it. Now you know, you know. So chef is different from spice. You know, you spice up the pot, you know, say all the greens, all the ground provide, the vegetable, the onion, the pepper, you name it all. You know, nothing at all when you meat, straight spice. Come here, vegetarian as well, see, it goes already. Same way. And see we have the natural, the way they do it here, cold stove, you know, this is how it is, same way here, this is the museum. I would like the energy because you know, say, a lot of people that try to say, you can't go August because of pure violence down here and everything. So them try to put a stigma upon it, you know, and say, yo, even her, she was scared, and I say, yo, come on, man, you could gonna go there, you know. So there's stigma. So once we get here, I realize it's nothing like that because them try to tell us, say, don't go August town because them place a bad place. No, man. I said, no, man, it's not like that. You know.
so nice, man.
Yeah.
Very nice community ever.
So she was like, oh, she's like, you know, please, you know, my mother said she wants 6 grand, you know, please don't take me there, anything happen. I say, yo, it's not like that, man.
Not like that, man.
You know, and soon as she reach and she feel the energy and she realize it's different, yeah?
This is the place I say, no, man.
Alright, it's nothing but love. You know, nothing but love.
You see, the tabernacle is around here.
Mm-hmm.
They have a pool around there.
Yeah.
The bridge I'll show you. General. Okay.
Because I see the pool, because we see it on the media as well.
Yeah, man.
When the whole of the work that's
Natural
going on,
water,
so,
boy.
Natural water.
Natural water from the spring. There's no way in Kingston
Yeah.
You find a spring like that.
Over there, so natural
Yeah,
water.
natural.
So it in use to turn the pool.
No, you know, say, how that come about? You just come up natural, you know? The pool you just come
Spring is there, so you know, do the much.
Yeah.
You know, the water thing, so you have to just dig right there.
Yeah. Cause we see this on the social media when time them a work here.
Yeah, man.
Isn't
I hear
it?
so.
Yeah, I'm still remember that car sit up and cement a fling up and a fling up
yeah,
bucket
man.
and everything and Sizzla mix up and everything. I remember that time I was watching it. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, man.
You know, still guys are great mind doing great things. See me here in Jamaica.
I'm a whole there in Augustone, you know.
Yeah.
Come on, I'm a whole
Then,
there.
where is she from again? Kenya.
Kenya, yeah.
Kenya.
Most famous
YouTuber in Kenya.
famous YouTuber, you know?
Yeah. Dean.
From Kenya. Yeah, man.
She was just at Bubble Hill day before yesterday. Yeah. The video is out as well too.
Yeah.
When she at
Sorry,
Bubble.
never visit them, being it to Montego Bay again.
Montego Bay. Yeah, we're gonna bring her around the place, man, everything, man.
We go and down the room, so, you know.
Yeah?
All I'm sure you're here for.
Well, she said she had the here for 3 to 6 months, because, you know, her visa.
So when I have contact number, man.
Yeah, man, we got the contact,
And some of
man.
the famous shows she's supposed to come.
Yeah, I'm planning to live here.
Yeah, she's planning
Yeah?
to live here, yeah.
Good.
But she said she had to try out the 6 months, you know, because her visa is 6 months. and
6
thing.
months visa, yeah.
So,
I know, so next week, Sizzla have a nice show down at watch there, you know. Oh, no, the drive.
yeah.
But we have to have your number.
Yeah, man, we have to make the
We
link,
have your
man.
number.
We have to make the
I have to
link.
see them footage there. Have you have them footage there?
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Definitely, man. Yeah, man, so we can get the number of exchange.
Yeah, because next week, Heroes Weekend. Nice.
Yeah? Yeah, so we have to make the link, man.
Yeah, I'll put you in.
Cause look, see our thing here. See our Bubble Hill. See 31,000 people watch it already within 18 hours. See there almost 400,000 people are following.
You know, I see it on YouTube, you know, but when I
Oh, you never take notice that she
Yeah,
have her now. You see there? She just like in Kenya look.
I see it up there.
Yeah. So she that man.
Can number, man. If a roll come down there,
Yeah,
watch
man.
it on a shark. You know what shark is?
Yeah, then I watch it there, yeah.
No, that's over there. We on Tamili, man.
Yeah.
General, you know. We're not link him, fanning come from prison, man. Link him.
Yeah.
You know, we on Sizzla Road, man. Tamili and Valiant and the whole of them, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
It's 7933921, yeah. Half a link, man.
Half a
So,
link,
you
man.
know. Life in Jamaica. Come here, you might be with the charity as well to help out the need them in trench to build house for them through donation as well too. Yeah, come run a charity we do donation and everything for people through them thing there, you know. We build house for people, we cook food like that.
Your earring?
Yeah, I thought 6372 end with.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna go see. Mikey.
Because we have Sizzla show down there. It's Heroes Weekend, so you know, so down there, but nice.
Alright, and
Shark
what?
is supposed to, you know, see, is it there on YouTube, you know? There on Facebook.
We have to go link up, man. I will just come here, you know. And
Yeah,
make one
we just
step
roll
and
go down
one-
there.
I will just make one roll.
Yeah.
You know, and come here and tell us,
Oh, boy, give me a cigarette, you know?
because anything at all, see, you know, we can try to get help with any way we can, you know.
Yeah.
'Cause that's what
Show
we do.
them. Should I love to see her push that Sizzla?
Of course. You hear that day? Oh, when she finish. Definitely.
Because we leave from here, so I just drive, go down.
Yeah. Come me just down there as well to the other day. You know. Over there. Yes, at the bike spot this.
Yeah, yes, I know that.
Where the bikers are. Oh, is that our car? Vintage.
So the racing car.
Oh.
The racing car.
Wow. Judgment. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Famous. We are inside Sizzla's home. And I'm showing you around.
All of the button them. Look at there.
This is how the interior looks like. This is where he drives. Huh? You guys.
Look at that.
Huh? Look at that. The back.
It's supposed to fast.
Yeah, man.
See all of the button them and everything. So you know, the fire blaze. You see the gear sticks and everything. The nitro can in there, everything. Yo, 200 miles per hour, like every hour or a minute. So this is the natural pool, right?
Minerals.
Natural minerals, yeah. Oh, so the kids them down in the water there. Yeah. It's a big swimmer them.
Yeah, man, a big swimmer, so now I get everything.
How deep this is? Yeah. Oh, that's the water.
Come in now.
Wow. So a natural spring.
Look, catch him. Wait, no, you'll catch him, I'll jump up. You ready?
Natural spring water. Come out the way.
Right.
Okay.
You catch time.
Yeah. Go on.
You're ready. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh. Big.
Everything you see, like natural thing.
Natural.
So, you know the place here? Free, and I like
Free.
Bob Marley
You
place.
say your time?
Yeah, and I like Bob Marley place, so you don't have to pay on them.
Okay, you don't have to pay. So we have a younger diver here now. Yeah, true. Yeah, ready.
See me? If a Bob Marley place, you don't have to pay.
Yo, they make me want to go swim right now. Yeah, man, I'm about love, man. This is me, love, man.
Yeah, man.
You next? Alright, go on then. Alright, dive then, dive. Yeah. Make me want to go swim. D, what you saying? You make me want to go swim.
You want to see the girl swim with the bridge?
You know, we'll come prepare. We'll come up here next time. We'll make sure we come prepare. And swim. Yeah. The water is clean.
Clean.
You can see
right. Natural from the ground, guys. Yeah. Natural pool, as they all say.
Natural. Oh, so the ropes have to hold on if you cannot manage. If you cannot swim, you can hold on to the rope. So you see that? So
the good thing is I can swim, so.
Alright then. Look how clean it is.
Very clean. Alright, go on.
Hey, go and swim. Go on.
Yeah. That time is solid one.
Yes, sir.
Kalonji artist. Look out. Everything.
Jim! Voila! Jim! Say hello. Jim, say hello. Say hello. Hello. Bye bye.
Green. green from top to top.
Yeah.
You know the fashion guy.
No, you man, look at you, well fashioned out.
With what?
Colors. Colors, you're fashion out in colors. Colors, him that call me. I'm up on the road. I'm in Ghana airport, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, what go down here?
Nice to see you. Alright. Okay.
Yeah. She said, "Hi, how?"
What's her name? And you? Okay, nice to meet you.
Look at my dog. Look at the dog. And can see him stretch, Max. What's up, Max?
Doesn't bite.
No, guess him more muffin.
I'm not a dog girl.
You know
I'm a cat girl.
Oh, muffin.
My brother is the dog guy. He'd rather sleep hungry, but his dogs to eat.
This is the prefect.
Oh.
This is the prefect in the team. He's part of the team.
Wagwan.
And this is the prefect. He's the one that makes sure things organized in the dream team, you know.
Nice.
Just like him in school. I meet the prefect in school. This is the prefect in the
He
dream
must
team.
be doing a good job.
Yes, I
Try to, you know?
Yeah.
try to.
Congratulations.
He's the prefect.
Meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, okay.
Meeting a lady is natural like this.
I love this one more, but this one is also the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She full of energy though.
Yes. Just watch
I just watch.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Everybody love our energy and our
Thank
vibes,
you.
man.
The
Naturally.
best. Keep watching.
Baby, Maureen.
Yeah.
What's gonna match though? Baby gonna match. Okay. So most of them gonna watch match.
Oh, they've gone to watch the match.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Which part didn't you show me that day? Anything new?
Eh?
Where didn't we go that day? We could walk. So guys, we are here in Trench Town with Kino. He's showing me around Trench Town. I know most of you guys are like, "Gee, how do you make it to go to such places?" Trust me, nowadays it's not as how it used to be. It's a peaceful place. You can see the kids playing on that side. Like, it's not what you really think it is. I love it. It's more of home, you know. So we're here just to show you it's a beautiful place to come. And big up to Kino.
Yes, sir.
Doing the good job here, making it big for the locals, and everybody loves Kino. So if you don't know who Kino is, go subscribe to his channel, okay?
Check him out.
Yes.
Check him out.
I love your t-shirt, the good life.
Good life.
Who doesn't want the good life?
And the
Me
good
too,
life,
I
yeah.
want it.
I used to do Good Life, a program named Jamaica Good Life. That's where I started from before I started with the Kino Life in Jamaica. I started from Jamaica Good Life. And this man is wearing a t-shirt saying Good Life.
The good life
You know,
for everybody.
The good life for
I don't
everybody.
think that's a coincidence.
No, it's not a coincidence.
I think that's the frequency.
Supposed to meet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Connecting good people together.
Well, connect us, man. Show us
Yeah, so
some.
this is the wow chef.
Wow, chef.
Next member of the
How you
team.
doing?
Just coming up the road.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Again, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
He told me you have two hats, and I believed it.
You believe it now?
Yes.
This is Colin.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah,
from
man,
the Good Life
continue to-
program.
yeah, man. Ashley.
And Ashley
Yeah, man.
as well too. And we have another member here, Light Parks, just coming in. So Light
Nice
Parks, this
to
is
meet
Colin from the Good
Yes,
Life.
yes. Respect, yeah? Respect.
And we have Ashley here.
That's the name in about it hard to pronounce.
The Mwango.
Oh, the Wango.
Yes.
I'm glad to see you again, the Wango.
Nice to see you. Yeah. And I am Kino's
Get
videographer.
introduced to what you're doing so that we can do more in the future. But this week we just want to come and see and lend a hand where we can.
Yeah.
I know it's short notice, but whatever we can do. And then in the future, there's, like I said, trying to make that connection so we can make it long term. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, come say, I'm going to show you one project where currently I go out.
Let me video you.
Watch your walk, because this is the garrison. And you have to buck your toe and walk in a zinc.
Hello?
So, you see, in the future,
are going.
And tiles, but people convert them to them own room.
Okay.
Yeah, because the space. So this is the man where we're gonna take a look on his place so you can see how it is. He and the wow chef. Wow. Alright, I see you camera lady for the day. Just watch your step. Watch your step.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah? Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. Music and everything. I'll just show you. So, let me show you. Wow. So Colin, so this is 4th Street.
Yeah, we were just on the same.
And next one over there is 3rd Street.
Yeah.
Where we're coming off is 3rd Street and it's at 4th Street.
So everybody on the dream team is from Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the whole chef live on this side. Man. Alright. Yeah, I come. Yeah.
Lead us in.
Alright, so this is the Wow Chef place. As you can see. It's a theme set. This is one of the members that have been helping out. This is
a theme thing the man pop up in the yard, you know.
Yeah,
so clean them out, man.
Cause around here we go put in some work. As you can see, him do have a bathroom nor a toilet. Right, so this is where we're gonna ask the support for them to help us to help out his situation. Cause we've been on the list, you know, because we just finished a project as you could see Miss Dana. You know, so this is a fitting situation. Come in there. Come. So this is it. So this is the Wow Chef situation.
Yeah.
Help him up. Yeah, I'll do a far.
Alright, cool.
So this is the Wow Chef situation.
Right.
Come in now, Wow. Step up, man, Colin. Step up.
So guys, we're visiting one of the members of Kino's organization. Check your place on the lead.
So, Chef, you know a light in here?
Yeah, man, I have light in there, man. Put on the switch up.
Okay. So this is the Wow Chef. Yeah, so you know we're for getting bed, chestnut drawer, you know, probably just firm up the floor and the ceiling, you know, as you can see.
So when you do an assessment like this, what kind of, how much do you think this will cost?
I would have an idea because what we'd have to do, the builder will give us the list of the materials we want. I will take it to the hardware and the invoice now will tell us, determine how much it's going to cost.
Makes
so
sense.
without you know, I think this, they're going to block it, you know, and the bathroom and go join on, which is from there to there. So right here, so now we can be in kitchen.
Set up the place right where man is in, right? You know.
So yes, so now I'm going to be in kitchen
So I want to put up some earth from now.
and everything. So
family, them granny and me grandmother and them.
So as I can see, this is how the house them is in Trenchtown. Everybody have something like this on the block. So you see the space is small, confined, you know. So you don't have no space, nothing at all, as you can see. So they're gonna need a renovation. You see the ceiling up there.
I just don't like the fact that Wow Chef is a Chelsea fan, though.
Oh,
don't like, man, that's no.
Man U?
Like that. Liverpool.
Welcome to the man.
You like Man U, right?
Yeah, man. Liverpool, Chelsea, man.
Yeah.
All Chelsea, man. All that's the gears all around.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So as I said, he's on the next on the list.
No, definitely.
Yeah,
No, and this man cook and will feed the needy. You know, he's a chef. With the next guy will help out as well too. And there's a lot of people been around. He's been on the program for 3 years and something now.
Wow.
You know, so.
Well, that's good. That's good, chef.
Yeah, man.
So give and get, you know, give back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So we have only power for put out still, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Is it?
So the builder now have the idea of how he's going to build it. So you know the bathroom I got attach on to
Oh, this is I put the bar show.
So it'll attach on to here. So this I go like tear down.
Yeah, that's go come
and I go black it up. So you can walk. And I think I'm gonna use this now for your kitchen, right?
That makes sense.
Yeah. So black of our go, yes sir. This is
black it up, man. Yes sir. Yeah, man.
I say one time these place, no, they never board off.
Never could have board off.
Could just walk all the way down and knock on everybody's door.
Oh.
But everybody does take a section for themselves.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Makes sense.
8 by 1 block.
8 of these.
First, second, and the third one that my brother house, the third one. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and the one the seventh, and the last one at the end there, so no. 8 by block, you see me? From Buster man today is the house I building.
Okay.
Yeah, man, from Buster, from World War II. Yeah, man.
Yeah, hot though.
Yeah, man, in the hot, man, that's some good fun now.
Yeah, so take your time, step down, please. Step low.
Fun on the fun, man.
Yeah.
Flow it, man.
Just take a step, Take your time, come down, Colin.
The man, them mason man, the man should have built a place long time. You see what I say? Man,
So-
would have cramped here, them man.
So all them place, you know, it's been a
The
clear
mason
out.
man, from day one, I tell the man, say, yo, go buy the black, the man get the place up and running. Like, watch it.
Yes.
You see?
Yes, viewers, so
Yeah, man,
as
so-
I can see, this is the worship
Yeah,
place,
man.
and you see it, we've shown it already, so this is where we're going to ask the support, what we can get, you know.
Yeah, man.
We
so,
already
you
have
see
some
me?
donations
Them thing,
already
you know.
put down already, you know, we can get some material, so whenever natural get some free time now, because my natural I put in some work because film work the kind of back up on him, so
Awesome, man.
therefore we make natural put him back
Teach
some
some
film
work,
work,
bring it.
you know, so whenever him get the time now, we can just come
Yeah.
and organize and get the material and see what we can start from there, you know.
But them, what you know, so them thing you want to get out of the yard from
Yeah.
now. Yeah, man, because crampy pack up something in the yard. I be a tool in them, you know.
So what they need for them to dash where?
Yeah, man, I threw them out now. But the man, you put the tool in the cellar. I'm black up on the cellar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just be a tool in them and them something. You see, so the machine alone I will use and wash. But them rest of them out to want to get them.
Out.
More of them I telling straight up, so.
Yeah.
You see?
So that is
Yeah, man,
the
only
plan.
for clean up our go on, man.
Yeah. So that is the plan, viewers, you know, as I say. We're there now with Wow Chef, you know, as I said, we have some donation already put aside, you know, so, you know, we're going to need more support. So what we're going to do whenever naturally get the time, we can come and get the measurement, you know, so we can buy the materials them, you know, and we can know where to start from there, you know. So we're going to give them an addition of a bathroom right there, so and then refurbish the inside. You know, so this is the start, you know. As I said, we just finished done a project, so we have to give Natural some time to kind of complete some of theme work,
man, for real, man.
you know, because him give us a lot of time and put off a lot of him jobs, you know. So now we're willing to make him just take him time and do what him can do before we can stick on this journey, you know, because it's the only time I will give thanks so much, you know, for everybody. And myself, whenever you're ready, we can reach out and help out the Wow Chef, and this is the Wow Chef. You know, this is a wow one with the two heart. You may have one heart or two heart, you know. So this is not a long situation, it's a quick fix, you know, bring up the blocks them and refurbish and get it out the way. You know, and so we've got L-line up and scanner as well to where film thing as well to clean out and a quick paint up, and then we set the place and up and running again. So I beg you, please, you know, reach out and help a friend like the Wow Chef. He's a friend in need, you know, and he's a friend indeed, you know. So it's about time now, a film time now, and this is the highlight. Yeah, man, so we give thanks, our thank, you know, thank and blessing to all our extended family. You know, the journey have to continue, you know. So Miss Dana, Natisha handed the button to Miss Dana, so you know, so they take a pass on next to the Wow Chef. You know, it goes, see me, you know, each one help one, each one teach one. So this is how we're moving forward in life, helping out a situation. Right, Wow?
Yes, man.
See you
Only
there,
for love, you know. Voice, man, you see it?
Yes.
No love to the people out there, you know. Put on help you out, you see me?
Yes.
Blessed, man, you know. One team, you know. Dream team. No love, you know.
Alright.
Blessed, man.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
On that light parks. So as you can see, this is an addition where they add on as well too. People add on this to the buildings. You know, then try to add on and get the thing out, you know. So as I said, there's a lot for going on in the community here. So much.
Yeah.
You know, if you walk more and show you probably cry. You know, because you can see all the people them that are living here, you know.
It's not so bad on the other side because over there more developed from the earlier days. So I don't think the development will continue on this side. So that's why they can see it even more here. So anything we can get for us help out a situation, then that will be great. So it's one step at a time. There's also other members in the team where them help out, and them situation is also similar and the same as well too. But it's only so much you can do at once. So that's why we always try to do it one step. We cannot bombard the viewers them and to do everything one time because it would be chaos. So we try to do it one at a time. So we have the time once we have life, we just continue the journey. This is the journey and this is the life in Trench Town. So we'll go back over the other side. Right, Max? Come, Max. Yeah. We're 2 years. Oh, we are watching now. Oh, so this is Colin. Remember I tell you about him? I'm coming with him team. Yeah, and that's Ashley. How we meet yes. Her name is Esther. This is Colin. I'm tell you about her as well too.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Esther?
Yeah. And that's Ashley.
Ashley?
Ashley there.
What's your name?
Smiley.
Oh, obviously. Obviously.
Yeah. Our Christopher then just
there and drive down the road.
oh, can me that way from?
Somebody just dancing with away for you.
Yeah, Christopher, me that way from.
Say my circle back.
Okay.
Yeah, what time about the house and finish there, like in the ground.
Oh. Alright, now Colin. Yeah, man. So she's one of the members there as well. So this is Natisha. Natisha, this is Colin.
How you doing?
And that's Ashley there.
She have a lot of wisdom on her face.
Nice meeting you guys.
How do you meet?
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, so you see man the good life.
Yes.
So we are part of the good life program. We do the same work we do.
We want to join the dream team now.
Them have a team as well of 20.
Yeah.
So about next week, Wednesday or Tuesday, they want to come around and we can do something. It's like our whole chef place now, I get to start take a film thing and more. We can't go and clean out scanner place. I'm going to tell you about scanner. Our film place, just clean it out and go on top bed and we just paint it. But the door, we have to move the door from where it is.
Okay.
Because as it is, no furniture can go in. It's very, very tight space. You probably can't walk through.
Can't walk through.
No. So we'd have to go change the whole of that as well too. So but it's that thing once the team here we can go around there and do some clearing out. And the door part can come after. Hopefully the builder I got there that day but I speak to him and say him can there on the Wednesday or the Tuesday,
Yeah. Well, let's finalize it tomorrow, exactly what day.
Yeah. Let's finalize it.
Maybe Monday or I don't know, we have to see.
Because Esther, the bed run a scanner one single bed that single film or scan or a double. If you a double, him not gonna have no way for a double? But that's why the space so tight, because a double. You're not gonna need a single. If you get a double again, you now can put in a table of furniture in there. If you say we can buy him a dresser or something. We can buy him a little TV put on the wall, when we can have a little comfort.
Yeah.
So. And Mother Teresa fair project where she do as well too, but they on a pause because she was trying to get some more support as well too.
Okay.
So but she will get that now, could we get for going there when we can literally work. But Wednesday when you come, we can show you that as well too.
Maybe one of the things we can do too is really walk and look at some of the places and then take some note and so that we can, because some of it is future and it's a journey like you say, you can't do everything at one time. But a lot of the thing too is to give people hope, Like man, we're coming with this is what will happen. You know what I mean? Connecting the need with the resources. It sounds easy, but it's not that easy. You have to make that connection.
Yes.
So I'm glad Dee's here to help to bring some awareness on what you're doing. We're just trying to find that connection with like you and say, alright, if we have access to certain things, we're gonna do our part on the path. It's a journey, like I said. Which leg in the relay me I run, you know? Second leg, third leg. Can't run it by myself. So
yes, true.
So to me, the team is a very responsible team. I can see who the team members are.
Yeah, man. More of them as well to where everybody is not here. Cause you say you have 20, and we have about 22. So that will come like a 40. You know, the whole will combine together.
I want to see what we can do. Let's try and see
down places in here, man. Right, D? You know? So we can tear down places in here. Be ready, man. Be fit and ready, you know.
So is Dee gonna join us on Tuesday or Wednesday? Or is she gonna still be in?
One day I'll plan it out with Kino.
Right, plan it out and we'll see if it can work out.
Yeah, man, yeah. So hopefully she's
Good
not.
to meet you, ladies.
Yeah, hopefully she's not booked out.
And what's your name again?
Boom.
Yeah,
Mother Teresa. Rasta Jacks around there.
Yes, Father.
You know the rest of them, Smiley and Natisha and Esther. By the baby already, right?
Where is
the flower styles? The
okay.
Yes. Yeah, man. So this is the insurance. The line will come on yet. Can it's come on. What time? 6:30. So come on. See, that's my talk. That's my talk. Hear my voice. You know, recognize.
Let there be light.
Let there be light. So the light is on. Yeah. So yes, man. Good life.
Good life.
It was great meeting.
Definitely.
You know,
good life and dream team.
Yes, sir.
Sound good to me.
Imagine me said the Jamaica good life.
I know you have the
good life.
Same way.
Look at that.
What gotta do?
The life them have me.
Something.
So,
yes. From we have faith.
I hope my team can meet some of the dream team. The dream team catch my eye, you know, watching it on YouTube.
Yeah.
And just seeing what you were doing, seeing the dream team and all the stuff that you guys is a big deal and doing a good thing. Doing a good thing. So congrats.
Yeah, man.
Smiley, congrats.
So a team catch a team eye.
Yeah,
you know?
no man, we catch our eye, man, and our heart. So we say, alright, what can we do? And again, it's next week, but it's long term. You know, we want to establish some kind of partnership so we can do more things. Yeah.
That would be great, man. Definitely, man. That would definitely. Boom! I'm ready for the journey. Man, I'm ready for you. Rasta Jacks around there, ready, you know. Because when I show them, say, look on film team, I'm like, what? I'm a big team like we too, man. You know? And one day in person, you know, if you can so go on. I did see Jenna already. She's part of the team as well, too, you know. As I said, the members them see me.
So let me ask you an important question, right? You ready? How does someone become a part of the dream team?
Normally, alright, the show is a voluntary thing, you know, so it's more like over the time period to say, oh, them dedicated by giving them time.
Right.
Because we don't want them to feel like it's a monetized game. But them can't come just because they might get a donation.
Right.
But from you're doing something for your art, you don't have the money for your mind, you come around and give your time. So by over the period of time, I say, oh yeah, come around and I dedicate them, you can say, well, this person, if I'm art, them willing to be a part. You know, otherwise there are people who just come, because they want them face to be shown, and move a bucket or move something so them can get $1.
Right.
You know, which is, you know, the eyes, it never lies. Because people, when they watch, they can know who is dedicated from who is not. You know,
that's good.
So comes they end up becomes a member, you know.
Big up to Kino too, right? To pull this together, this is a big deal, and leadership is key, and it's missing sometimes from our culture. You know what I mean? Leadership is very important. So big up to you. We can't understate that. Yeah. So
and also you can also create.
Well, you know, we're all doing our part. You know what I mean? So I thank God for
everyone serving a purpose.
And the key is to connect. You can't underestimate connecting. You know, if you start something for yourself, that's not what I want to do. I look for people who are doing it and already kind of producing fruit and see how we can connect.
Okay.
That's the key. That's smart.
Just water the plant.
I don't do it myself. I don't have to start it myself.
Yeah. Just water the plant, make it grow.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
And it's good to meet the team. A true leader has people. The currency of a leader is people. Remember that. You look behind a man or a woman and you say, who we have? Where's your line? That is how you know. That's how you know a leader.
Yes, true.
People, not just bright ideas. Right?
Yeah.
Right, Smiley?
Yeah.
People.
Look, plug the scene at the shop for me there. See charger there. Let's plug it in a bit. Alright, so we give thanks, blessed love, Dream Team One team. So everything, so stay tuned and keep up to date.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.